When was the last time you created art just for you? Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of the Ionian Sea, stepping out onto a sun-drenched terrace and sipping your morning coffee as olive trees sway in the breeze. Each day begins with a promise of adventure, creativity, and deep rejuvenation. Join me for an unforgettable art retreat May 23rd through the 30th, 2026 on the island of Zakynthos, Greece, where sketchbooks come alive, self-doubt fades away, and your artistic spirit finds its true voice. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning your art journey, this retreat will help you develop the confidence to sketch freely, anywhere, anytime. Under my gentle guidance, you'll learn to capture the charm of whitewashed villages, the rugged coastline, and shimmering Mediterranean light. In addition to painting at our home base on the beachside resort, we will visit Zantytown, the island capital, and take a sailing trip to the shipwreck beach. You'll discover the joy of painting on location, embracing imperfections, and creating beautiful paintings. By the end of the retreat, you'll no longer hesitate when facing a blank page. Instead, you'll feel the exhilarating freedom of sketching the world as you see it. There's something magical about creating art outdoors surrounded by the beautiful landscape. You'll find your mind quiet and your senses awaken as you translate the scenery before you into flowing lines of washes and color. This is your chance to let go of daily pressures and reconnect with your artistic self in the most breathtaking space imaginable. Each day you'll be treated to mouth-watering meals prepared with fresh local ingredients. Every dish is a celebration of Greek hospitality and flavor. Gather around the table with fellow artists to share laughter, stories, and unforgettable culinary experiences. Beyond art, this retreat is about nurturing your whole self. You'll return home not just with a sketchbook full of memories, but with a renewed sense of confidence, joy, and inner peace. It's a transformative journey that will inspire you long after you've left the sunlit shores of Greece. This retreat runs May 23rd through the 30th, 2026, and there's only 16 spots available. Use the link in the video description to reserve your spot today and give yourself the ultimate gift of a retreat in Greece. Your sketchbook and your spirit will thank you.